Okay, I'm really sad that for this video I don't have like my Christmas that I don't have my like Christmas decorations, my fat freaking not 10 foot, why am I done? I don't have my 4-foot Christmas tree up in the background, but I swear I'm putting that up soon. Decorate with me. But yeah, that's probably because it literally just turned. November just started, okay? I'm one of those people, I want to make Christmas last as long as possible, so that's why I'm starting my Christmas videos right now. So, obviously starting off with Christmas videos, we're going to be starting with a Christmas wish list, and I don't want this to be taken the wrong way. First off, I'm not trying to be greedy and be all like, buy me this, buy me this, buy me this. No, these are basically things that are on my shopping list that I probably gonna maybe end up buying for myself during like Black Friday or something. That could also give you guys ideas on what to ask for. And this is also more of like gift ideas, wish list ideas, because it's kind of like general stuff. I'm really not like asking for anything for Christmas, so yeah. Also, Christmas is about just spending time with loved ones and family and enjoying the Christmas spirit, and or not even Christmas, you can believe what you want, whatever religion. I don't want to come up the wrong way, don't attack me please, okay? We're gonna get started with this wish list video. I was so excited that I even wrote it out. Haha, thumbnail. I even wrote it out on a nice little thing. So, first thing is a Patagonia fleece. I don't know if it's Patagonia. Patagonia. No, it's not like that. I've been wanting one of these. They're kind of expensive. They're actually really expensive. But you know, I'm all about warmth. Honestly, I noticed everything on my wish list is clothes, which is really, really bad. But whatever. Black Friday's coming up. There's two specific ones that I personally like, but I feel like this is a really universal thing for like guys or girls. Like anyone would love to get this because it's warm, it's cozy, it's cute. Perfect. The next thing is a white Champion hoodie. Just because, you know, I just feel like this is also, well, like I want a white Champion hoodie, but I'm saying like anyone would probably wear a Champion hoodie. Like, it's like a step up from like a plain hoodie, because if you give someone like a Hanes hoodie or something for Christmas, they might be like, question mark? But then if it has a little Champion logo for like $50 more, you know, then they'll be like, whoa. The next thing is Pandora rings and charms. Pandora has some really, really cute stuff. I think this is a really good idea for closer friends, or like for your like parents or sisters or whatever. Obviously don't go buying $50 rings for all of your friends because then you'll be broke, but you know, they have the really cute like the crown rings, which are super adorable, and then they also have I found little dupes of those at Claire's, so if you want to be like, you know, with the deals, you can go to Claire's and get one for like $5. Just saying. Oh my gosh, someone's leaf blowing right now, are you kidding me? Okay, whatever. Or Pandora charms, I think, is a really good idea if you have like a super close friend or like sister or whatever. You could get them like a bracelet and then like get each other charms. Like, isn't that just adorable? Too bad I don't have friends, but you know, you get the idea. The next thing I said, I kind of want yellow Vans, either yellow checkered ones or like yellow old school, but I'm kind of like, I don't know if I'm there yet because that's a pretty bold move, but I really like yellow, and any way I can incorporate yellow, it just like makes me happy, like makes me a happier person. And trust me, in like the early like months in like January and stuff, I'm gonna be needing that yellow because I'm gonna be needing some happiness in my wardrobe because I'm gonna be freezing and I'm gonna be depressed. So yeah, but aside from my little yellow Vans rant, I think anyone would really like any slip-on Vans or old school Vans, just because those are also, they're super comfortable, like universal guys or girls, like everyone wears Vans, they're super comfy. Like even like, though I don't need shoes, if I got a pair of Vans I'd be like, you know me, thanks, you know? Sorry this video is kind of like everywhere, it's kind of a weird video, I'm like in a chit-chatty mood, so chatty Kathy over here. Yeah, I mean obviously if you know their foot size or shoe size, if you don't, you probably shouldn't do that, or else they might get like offended or something, I don't know. The next thing I'm asking for, I don't know, that I want to buy. I'm not even sure. I don't want to say like I'm asking for anything because I'm not like making a list, but I kind of am because this is a video. Whatever. Is a white North Face rain jacket because I live in Seattle. I'm cold. It rains a lot. We've been over this like a million times, okay? Like, I sit in every video, like I'm literally filming like a makeup video and I'll be like, I'm freezing all the time. Ha ha ha, I'm cold. Ha ha, why do I live in Washington? Okay, next thing. That wasn't even like a list, but those are the main things I'm looking into buying or would like for Christmas. I don't know why I sound so weird like talking about this, whatever. But these are just some general ideas. Guys and girls would probably both like this. I just think these are like good general ideas that anybody would appreciate. First off, a Hydro Flask. If they already have a Hydro Flask, get them another one. There's like a bunch of different sizes and everyone would be happy getting a Hydro Flask because they're gonna use it. And if they already have a Hydro Flask, get them the lid with the little straw because having a straw makes you drink like 3 times as much water. Like, I'm telling you, they will appreciate it. So get them a straw or get them a Hydro Flask, and along with that you can get them like some stickers to put on the Hydro Flask and like customize it or whatever if they're fancy like that. If not, then just leave it be. Yeah. But there's a bunch of different colors, so just get them another color. Like, I'm not even kidding. Next thing is a Bluetooth speaker. You can get one of those cool ones for the shower that's like waterproof, or you could just get one of those basic like speakers. I don't even know what they're called, but guys and girls both like music. If they don't like music, then there's probably something wrong with them, so you should probably get them a speaker to help them out, you know. Next off, this is the main thing I was thinking about, but I've seen these little animal chargers. I just ordered some. Really excited for them to come. I'm gonna terrible and I ordered like a 20 pack when I literally have like one charger that I always lose, but I'm probably gonna give them out to my friends for Christmas or something like that. But they're just a really good idea if you have like a lot of friends and you want to give them something small that they'll appreciate and they'll use, but you don't have like all the money in the world. So you can get these on Amazon for like $2 to $5 ish, and then they also have them in packs for cheaper. They also sell them on Urban Outfitters for like $6, but Amazon's the move, just saying. Basically, they just go over your charger and they just look really cute, but they're also useful because then if someone tries to steal your charger, you'll be like, nuh-uh honey, like my charger has a little shark eating my phone on it. So yeah, you'll understand when I show the picture, because when I talk about it, you're probably like, what? It's on the rise, I'm telling you. Another thing you can do for your family, or I mean you could do it for your friends too, but like Glazed Art is a place that a lot of my friends and I go to, and it's basically just like a ceramics painting place, and I feel like those have been becoming more like known or more popular because it's always been around, and I used to do it a little bit when I was younger, but recently I've been really into it because it's like so much fun. It'd be really cool to go there and like personalize a mug or like a bowl or something for like your friends or your family or whatever, because then you could just make it like however you want, and then it's like heartfelt, and like you can fill the bowl or the mug with things they like. Like, wouldn't that just be heartwarming? Yes, it would be. Next thing, AirPods. Like, no matter how dumb like AirPods might look, it doesn't matter. AirPods are literally like the best things ever. Like, I can't even explain it. Like, I'm such a critic. Like, when they came out, I was the first one to be like, these are stupid, never gonna get these, Apple, what are you doing? But then I ended up getting them, and let me tell you, they're so great. Like, I know a lot of like fitness people use them, like when they go running and whatever, jumping jacks and stuff, so that they don't like get tangled. But even if you like aren't no like athlete person, you're still gonna use the AirPods. Like, they're freaking genius, okay? Or if you're against Apple, just get them wireless headphones. You'll thank me later. Another thing for girls or guys, I don't know, Pura Vida bracelets. It goes to a great cause. They're also really cute, and I feel like they can be like anyone's style. I don't know, that's just what I'm thinking. They're pretty affordable, especially if you buy them like in packs. Actually, they're not that affordable. They're kind of expensive. It's like $6 for like string, but it goes to like the Dolphins or something, so that's good. Next thing is a charger pack, because we all have that friend who asks for a charger every single day, so send them a little message by getting them a charger pack, you know what I'm saying? The next thing is to get them Crocs, because I know like there's a lot of Croc haters out there, but once you get Crocs, like, you're gonna love them. They're so comfy. They're like, they're just amazing. They're so, I can't even express it. Or get them Jibbitz if they already have Crocs and they're in the Croc gang. Get them some Jibbitz. They'll love you forever. Whenever I don't know what to get someone, like maybe I don't know them that well and I need to get them a gift, or it's like Secret Santa or whatever, I always, okay, well, usually if it's a girl, but I mean, it could be a guy too. I get them like cute socks from Forever 21 because they have so many options and they're all like just funny, but like you're gonna wear socks anyways. And then I get them face masks because who doesn't like face masks? That's great. And then I'll get them like gummy worms or something. Not gummy worms, those are kind of gross, but like good candy or like popcorn or a snack or whatever. Like that's a really good combination, and I'm pretty sure anyone would be really like thrilled to get any of that. And the last thing is a blanket. I literally have so many blankets, but I get a blanket like every year for Christmas from my like aunt or like grandma or whatever. But literally, you can never have too many blankets, even though I have too many blankets, you know, if that made any sense. But blankets are pretty like decent price, especially if you go to like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Walmart. You can get really nice just like fuzzy blankets for like $5 to like $15, and they have really cute ones that are like Christmas themed, and they'll have like penguins and snowmen and like little jolly things on them, and I'm telling you, anyone would love that. So yeah, that's wrapping up my video, my wish list slash wish list ideas slash gift ideas video. I don't know. Please don't take any of this the wrong way. I'm not trying to sound greedy or make Christmas be all about gifts or whatever, but I just thought it would be a helpful, like, fun video, and I feel like it's kind of a tradition because everyone does this kind of video every year. But yeah, I just talked for a really long time, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all have an amazing day and an amazing Christmas season. Let me know what other like Christmassy or like holiday videos you guys would like to see, because I would love to make that for you. And make sure to follow me on my other social medias so that we can interact and keep in touch and blah blah blah. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, so we're just gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!